Hey, what's up guys? It's Eric. Welcome back for another week. Today I was going to have a video about humic acid. I had ordered a 40-pound bag of humic DG, and the DG stands for dispersible granule. So this is not a liquid application. I don't have a sprayer to spray my big ass lawn. Not doing it with the little 1-gallon can I have. So, and plus I don't even have like any of the Green County products like Humic 12 or anything like that. So, but I was watching How To with Doc, and he's been testing this Humic DG and showed a couple videos on it, and I've watched a couple other videos on it, doing some research, and decided that that's what I want to use until I can get the BioStim pack. And they shipped me the wrong stuff. So came in yesterday, this is Sunday, came in Saturday, and sorry about the cars. So they shipped me fertilizer as opposed to humic acid. So, oh well, I have somewhere to use that. But I am going to order the correct stuff, and when I get it, I'll show you. So I'm going to use that in addition to starter fertilizer in my front yard and in the backyard for the fall recovery that's starting pretty soon. So, but it was just going to be a short video this week on the humic, but like I said, didn't come, so don't really have much content. However, let me see. There's Milorganite bags in there. This is a little recycling. So, in the back, I gave everything a cut. I cut it a little shorter. Still so wet from everything. We just had rain too. Just had a little 10-minute shower, a little sun shower. It was pretty nice. But I noticed that a lot of the spots, since I have killed weeds, I mean, I still have a huge bare spot here, but a lot of the spots have filled in. This over here is all crabgrass, of course. But there is a lot of new grass. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but you can tell the color. I mean, there's a lot of brand new grass over here. So, which gives me confidence that when we do things in a month from today, actually, I believe is Labor Day. That's when I'm going to aerate and overseed and really go at it with this backyard here. So, also today, I threw down a double dose of Milo. So, went with the 15 pounds per thousand, which works out perfectly for one full bag for my backyard, 2,500 square feet. And so I did a whole bag, and I was calibrating my new spreader, and I liked the results I had, and I guess I needed to make sure it was correct, so I opened up another bag and threw her in there and did it again. So, oh well, it's not gonna hurt. It's the last chance I have to get any organics into this lawn before we start the fall recovery in a month. So slow release, it's not going to burn. It's going to be nice to have it in there when everything gets torn up pretty rough next month. But we'll be adding more, half dose then though, with some starter fert, lots of grass seed, probably some topsoil in a couple areas as well. But overall, like, I don't know if you noticed over here, but I did give the baby grass the easy seed. If you remember the easy seed, that bare area that threw down the easy seed, and then we had the monsoon and it washed all of the seed back over there. And so I hand picked up a lot of it and threw it back in here and raked it in, and this is what we've got out of it. So it's actually looks pretty good. It got so long and so heavy it was all laying over on itself, and it looked like it was killing it. So I had to cut it, but it was due for a cut. So I went over it and cut it up. And if you notice in the soil, you see these lighter dots. There's also a lot of Milorganite in here, but the lighter areas like this, that's Dolomitic lime. So I also put a 40-pound bag of lime in the backyard today because of all the moisture it holds. And just saw a couple videos on it and said that it helps also with all the moss that I have as well. So we'll see the results. Lime is not like a instant result kind of thing. It's something that takes time, but it should help in the long run. Definitely should help in the long run. So, but the grass that I do have, I mean, is nice and green and healthy, and I have no irrigation back here, so it's all nature. The amount of rain we've had this year, we've already had our full year's worth of rain, and here we are at the beginning of August. So the ground is saturated, but bright and sunny week this week. 20% chance of rain every day. Supposed to be 90, maybe 2 days. Mid and upper 80s the rest of the week. So be a nice week coming up. This thing will probably grow like a jungle. Hopefully it'll dry out some, so I can actually get a real nice mow on it next weekend. So, but that's about all I have for you today. Got the spreader calibrated. 2 bags of Milorganite on a 2,500 square foot area. Smells like success. It smells great back here. And a full application of lime, 40 pounds for the 2,500 square feet. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see future content, like I said, you gotta subscribe. Come on back. Things are getting started. Until next time, I'm Eric. See you later.